Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Usambut Menteri Rangba jong kejela uba Preston Tensong uba Longru National Vice President jong ke National People's Party haga pratari ubunai no pra arazar arpuway ulapha ya ukerwa shaki sangut ki MLA ke Congress ki badang yai ne hadu menta haga party bakin kinti no shwa bakaling jong ke seng Congress kan ngam sindon jelang katkum ke jingong jong uba Preston ke Congress kadai kaling kabalangam bad kumba kapau menta hnyo 1% ka benta jong ka ling kaladep ngam bat ka badang pau hado menta kalong satang arpusan persen.
Congress is a kingship. Let me just remind you again. It is now proof that the ship is 75% sunk. So you can only see 25% of the ship. So therefore, I would like to tell you very, very candidly, Congress Party in the next general election 23 will be nowhere in the state of Meghalaya and will be nowhere even in the national level. A humble suggestion to the remaining 5 MLAs of Congress: please jump out of the ship. That is my humble suggestion to all of them. In fact, see, that is not at all healthy. That's what I'm saying. If you talk in respect of fighting among themselves, when they are divided as opposition group, means they are divided. And you know, I don't know, in the next budget session, let us see what will happen. Because now, from the main opposition, now they become in minority. That's what I'm saying. Congress now they are only 5 MLAs. So what is their, I don't know, what is their performance in the House? I really don't know. So let us see in the budget session, which is to be held in the month of March.